Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So we have a small mini reversal here currently on the Bitcoin chart. Overall, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed really to the previous video. I think the only thing that changed was that we have here a reset of the B wave. Okay. But as long as we're holding 35,927, you know, the scenario doesn't change at all. Just the wave label changed from there to here. But that doesn't change our wave count or structure, given that we did highlight that as long as the 35,927 level is not broken and the price does not break and sustain below it, we can still watch for that C wave in wave 3 higher. Yes, the trend line broke, but that's not really the problem. Elliott wave counts are not based on trend lines. They are based on, well, invalidation points as well as relevant Fibonacci levels, which we use to determine probabilities and the right wave count. So yeah, the B wave low could be in place, but it needs to break above the yesterday's high basically, and then to break above the 38K level to confirm. So obviously there is something bearish here as well that we can look at. So I'm going to talk to you about that in this video as well. So first of all, the yellow count is still the primary scenario until obviously it gets less likely with a break below 35,927. We have a nice mini reversal, but yeah, the level to break now to the upside would be 37,780, which is yesterday's high, as well as then the 38K level, which is the high that was made on Thursday and Thursday. So the last few Thursdays here. But that's nothing new. I mentioned that already in the last video that we really need to break above 38K as the next confirmation level. The 78.6 Fib level down here really stands as key support for this current scenario. If we break below it, then what do we have then? Then we are probably moving down in wave C, okay? Wave C in the white count, or it could be in the yellow wave 4. That doesn't really matter at this stage. It would likely then form a 5-wave move. So basically the idea would be that some kind of a B wave topped here, okay, in either yellow or white counts. And then this was a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, a wave 3 to the downside, a wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 to the downside. If this is the case, where should that third wave land? So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where should that third wave land? Normally we're looking at ideally the 1.618 extension level, but not necessarily that one at the very least. I'd say the 1.236. So it should at least get to 34,750, better 33,870, and we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5. And that's the next key. So basically, if we break below the orange support area box, yeah, then you will have an area to watch between 34,750 and 33,870 next. Because then the larger degree expectation changes if support level breaks. If we get more price data that suggests that we have to look for a deeper pullback. Bear in mind, we also still have this trend line here, yeah, moving to the upside, so that can also generate additional support. But we'll see, ideally, if this really is wave C, I'd like to have the low in place now. But we'll see. The key level is the 78.6 retracement. We had a bit of a sell-off obviously today, nothing major, but it came as the, if I am correctly informed, as the Department of Justice in the US basically confirmed that there will be an announcement of additional enforcement action today. So I think that's at 3 p.m. Eastern time today. Yeah, but there is not much more to add. So overall, an unchanged situation, just a few red candles, but that's just normal crypto volatility at the moment. With the wave counts here, you should be prepared for both scenarios. You should be aware of my primary scenario and also the next likely alternative should this support level here break. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.